Okay, you guys, I have kind of a fun project. Wasn't expecting today. So, we had a tree blow down. It was a maple. You can see right here. Big old branch came on down. And we don't throw branches out at my house. We actually make awesome stuff. So I've got two projects. One's gonna be about a year from now because I gotta dry. But the other, we're gonna make today. One of my favorite things about survival is that you can have a myriad of different options you can do. A right now option and a later option. So, right now, we're gonna do both. I am going to be both making a primitive bow, like a long-term primitive bow, but today we are also going to make a short-term primitive bow. I'm gonna show you how to do both. You're gonna have to wait for the other video because this portion right here, this big old sucker, that's gonna be my stave that we're gonna probably do about a year from now once that's dry. But this portion right over here, that right there, my friends, is going to be a bow that I can actually use here in just a couple hours, and it will last several days, if not several weeks, being used effectively as a bow. Now, it's not going to be like a compound bow with that much strength, but it is going to have more than enough strength to take down moderately sized game, and where you're going to be spending months and hours and weeks trying to make, you know, the perfect ash or Sange orange bow. This is something that you can take with just minimal tools and have an effective bow in the same day, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's get started. Establish the center of the bow, kind of place we're going to get our grip, and it's just little by little by little we make it smaller, test it. This is maple, so it's very, very hard, and we're going to have to make it a lot thinner than this to be able to actually draw the bow. But we are about well over halfway, and I hope to shoot it before dark. So judging the limbs, kind of set it in here, and the limbs should flex just about equally. Okay, you guys, after hours of trimming trees, broken branches, a piece of green maple. Now, this isn't a forever bow, but for the next week, I'll be able to shoot this with a draw knife and my scar blade bushcraft knife, a piece of parachute cord. I was able to make a very effective bow. Now, you may not be taking down big game with something like this, but little game, absolutely.